daming tao, di ba? Hi mga bro! Nandito kami sa mall. At least, nasa loob tayo ng building. So, we are still safe. Pakita ko sa inyo yung DFC, which is Doha Festival City. Since kaka-iftar lang or breaking a fast ng mga Muslims, yung mga shops, hindi pa lahat open, especially the restos. Tapos wala pa rin masyadong tao. And it's just because of Ramadan. So, later on, tingnan natin kung dadami pa tao. Kaya lang kasi alanganing araw din eh. Today is Sunday, March 8th.
A few moments later.
Open na yung mga restos. Ayan. Ang daming tao, di ba? Okay, we'll just go down dito sa Daiso. Sama ka na? Dito na rin. Let's go. Saan? Dito tayo. We are here sa... Ano to? Food court. I thank you na. Naglo-load pa. Okay, baba tayo because Daiso is on the ground floor. Yan. McDonald's, our favorite resto for sure. So, Daiso is here. Monoprix is right there. Wala pa masyadong tao. It's only... Anong oras na ba? 6:03. Ayan, Daiso tayo. I was just gonna look for a cork board para sa mga anak ko. Don't have the cork board pero bili tayo ng whistle. Yan, ito. Whistles. Right, I got it. It's Ramadan. They have decorations too if you're looking. Yan lang. We're done here. Biglang dami ng tao, guys. At okay, let's have coffee. Anong kape mo? Americano. Americano, pero may milk?
Americano.
Free coffee daw. Why? Bakit free coffee?
Yung mga promo sa app, mga nilalaro kong games. Tapos International Women
Happy Women's Day. Oo. Happy International Women's Day. Share with you kung ano yung tsura ng food court. Ang daming tao, di ba? So, parang wala lang. Flowers.
Happy Women's Day. Thank you, DFC. May pa-flower and DFC.
You don't want to come?
These are the ramen. Ito yung gusto nila.
Maliit lang mga po.
This ramen, 64.
Sushi mo, parang kaya ko.
Ito, maybe I'll have this.
Ayan, yung nakagandang sushi ko.
Hey, let's eat! Let's eat, guys!
Ayun o, happy moment. Yung nasa dulo.
Mga bro, 8:48. As you can see, parking dito sa DFC is full. Parang weekend. Kasi ang dami nga wala pang pasok. Puro asynchronous class. Kasi iba work from home. Ayan. Diba? Just a normal day. Ayan nga, so we're done with Doha Festival City. So maraming tao sa daan, as you can see. On the brighter side, maganda rin siya kasi parang calm naman lahat ng tao. Parang worry-free naman sila. So far we are safe. Tapos, uwi na rin kami soon.